how to watch Prime Video with Amazon account. Ready for a movie night? This guide shows you how to watch Prime Video with Amazon account so you can stream movies and TV shows. First, you need to be an Amazon Prime member to watch Prime Video. If you're a Prime member, you can watch a wide selection of movies and TV shows for free. If you're not a Prime member, you can sign up for a free trial or a paid membership. You can find Prime Video in Amazon app or in a separate Prime Video app. Once you're in the app, you can search for a movie or a TV show. You'll see a Prime logo next to the content that is included with your membership. Tap on it to go to the Contents page. On the Contents page, tap on Watch Now button to start watching. You can also download the content to watch it offline. It is a great way to watch movies and TV shows for free. You can also buy or rent other content from the app. You now know how to watch Prime Video with your Amazon account. Get ready for a movie night. Like and subscribe for more app tips.